All right, let's talk about dependency injection, or DI. It's a game-changing pattern in modern software development.
So you've got the new keyword all over your code. But is that a good thing? Well, maybe not. This right here, this creates what we call tight coupling. Your code is now basically handcuffed to one specific thing.
And that's a huge problem, because if my logic needs to change, you're stuck changing it everywhere.
So, how do we fix this? With something called inversion of control. DI totally flips the script.
Basically, your class stops making its own dependencies. Instead, they're just handed to it from somewhere else. And how does it work? It's really just two simple steps. You register your service, then you just ask for it. But here's where it gets really powerful. You get to decide how long a dependency should even live.
Transient gives you a new one every time. Scoped is one per request, and singleton is just one for the whole app.
Just a heads up on singletons, though. They stick around in memory forever, so you gotta be careful with them.
Okay, so how do we unlock the real power of DI? Well, we need to stop depending on concrete classes. The key is using interfaces. Think of an interface as a contract, a set of rules for what a class does. And check this out. On the left, we're stuck with demo logic. On the right, we just depend on the contract. Why does that matter? Because now you can swap implementations and the rest of your code won't even notice. Okay, let's put this all together with a real-world example. Imagine logging is used all over your application. Now, say you want to swap to a better logger. With Dia, this is literally the only change you have to make. So how many other files do you have to touch? That's right, 0. None. And that's the whole point. You centralize dependencies, and your app becomes super flexible and easy to maintain. So, next time you type new, just pause and think, could DI make this better? Thanks for watching.